I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Have you heard of straw phonation for singers? It's pretty great. You can learn more about that here in this link above or below. Today, we're going to do something similar to straw phonation, but it's cup phonation for singers. Don't know what that is? Hang in here with me and I will quickly explain. Also, if you don't have a cup, please check out one of my other SOVT videos below, but make sure to come back for this one. These fall into the category of semi-occluded vocal tract work, or SOVT work, which is really wonderful for developing easy coordination of the vocal folds. SOVT work includes things like singing through a straw, humming, bubbling or lip trills, or singing on sounds like v or zh. This work is excellent for ensuring great breath flow, eliminating variables like tongue tension from vowels, and weird habits in general. When we sing or speak, a rush of air flows up and passes through our vocal folds, which vibrate. That air pressure is subglottal, or underneath where the vocal folds come together. SOVT work brings in a little bit of back pressure or supraglottal pressure. This equalizes the pressure, taking some of the strain off of the vocal folds and allowing them to vibrate more freely. I'm going to be bringing you through some exercises after I show you how to prepare a cup for these exercises. The best cup for cup phonation for singers is one that fits over your mouth and chin that you can get a pretty tight seal with, but can still sing words into. You might need to try a few different sizes and kinds and feel what's best for you. Once you've selected a cup, then we want to poke a hole in the bottom of it. You may need to try a few different things to make that hole. A paper cup is actually usually easiest for this, but a plastic one will last longer. Smaller holes will have more resistance, while larger ones will be freer and closer to unoccluded singing. You can even adjust the size of the hole after you've made it by adding a little bit of tape if the hole's too big. Now, what do we do with this once we've made it? Anything we want. So today, let's do some exploratory exercises first. After checking in, as always, with breathing and alignment, let's sing on ma. Do that with me. Ma. Now, position the cup over your mouth. You might need to adjust the sides a little bit so we get a seal around the mouth. And try singing the same thing. Ma. Try that a few times and then memorize the easy feel on how it feels singing into a cup, then take it away and try it again. So I'm going to do ma, ma, ma. You can incorporate this into your vocal warm-ups and exercises, as well as into any music that you're working on. Let's do a few exercises together to get some practice. You might notice that this activity helps to stabilize vowels as well as register shifts. So for this exercise, we'll take the same pattern we did before. We'll sing it once into the cup and once out of the cup, and then move on to the next pitch, like this. Get your cup ready, here we go. Let's bring in a few more variables as we sing money, 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 mo. We'll do the same thing first with the cup, then without. Here we go. Money, 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 mo. 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 Let's do one more exercise together, and then I'll show you some other ways to use this as you rehearse your music. Right now, let's bring in just a little bit more range and sing "Oh, How I Love to Sing." We will sing "Oh, How I Love to Sing," first with, and then without the cup. Here we go. Oh, how I love to sing. 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 Feel free to take that much higher or lower into your range. Now, my favorite use of cup phonation is to use this while rehearsing a song. So I'll show you an example and then release you to go play with your new toy. If I'm working in a song that maybe has challenging intervals and crosses my break, I might use this. It's also great for encouraging steady airflow in general, so keep some attention on steady airflow. We just want to work on a few measures or phrase at a time. So I might try, "Let me call you sweetheart." It's a little bit choppy and a little bit blocky. Let's put the cup on the job. Let me call you sweetheart. Let me call you sweetheart. Let me call you sweetheart. It's much easier to stabilize the voice after singing into the cup. I might even take the words out to practice it that way and then put them in later. So singing on an ooh. Let me call you sweetheart. Let me call you sweetheart. My goal here is to memorize how it feels, so when I take the cup away or take the training wheels off, everything feels smooth and coordinated. So, go work with this for a while and let me know what you think of it. Thank you so much for singing with me and doing weird exercises with me, and I will see you next time.